Nature in itself is a living, pulsating reality and a great tool for bringing in presence and consciousness in our lives. Being in nature has immense therapeutic and mood elevating properties. Whenever you feel alienated or disconnected from this reality, it would be a good idea to spend time amidst nature. A deep connection and communion can be experienced by merely being in a green or a forested area such as this. I experience connection with nature by plugging into the sights and sounds of nature, by paying attention to the varied sounds of the forest, and by just looking at a tree or a flower without judgment or interpretation. Also, I would inhabit my body by being present with my breath. This simple practice can bring immense joy, peace, and connectedness and centeredness into your life.